children, today we are going to see the class 4th science lesson number 7, plants living and surviving. These lessons we are going to see now question answers. Okay, in this we are going to see on the page number 61 oral questions. Choose the correct option. Plants that grow on land are called as a terrestrial plants. Aquatic plants means what? The plants will grow in a water, that is known as a aquatic. Okay. Then they asked plants that grow on the land are called as a terrestrial plant. Mango and shisham trees grow in a plains. Okay. In a desert, dates trees will grow. Okay. Leaves are reddish to spine. Cones in the desert's plant, that is known as the spines. Okay. Fourth one, mangroves have breathing root. Okay. It is don't have a tap root. It is having a breathing root. Now first one, A1, take the correct option. In that first one, which of these grows on hills? Cedar, pine, fir, all of these. Now on the hill station, all three it will grow. Cedar also will grow, pine also will grow, and fir also it will grow. Then answer will call all of these. Now next one, which of these grows in a hot and damp places? A. Coconut, B. Mangrove tree, C. Mango tree, D. All of these. A. Coconut. Third one, which of these is a floating plant? Water lily, B. Tape grass, C. Duckweed, D. All of these. The answer will come C1, duckweed. D. Which of these is used as packing material? A. Dried grass, B. Bamboo, C. Papyrus, D. All of these. Then answer will come dried grass. Okay, now we'll move for the question answers. B1, answer the following questions. In that first one, what are a terrestrial plant? The answer is the plants that grow on land are called as a terrestrial plant. Second one question, what are aquatic plants? Answer, plants that grow in water are called as a aquatic plant. Third one, which plants grow in plains? Answer, neem, peepal, gulmohar, shisham and mango, etc. Fourth one question, what are fixed aquatic plants? Plants that are fixed to the bed of the pond are called fixed plants. What are submerged aquatic plants? Plants that grow under the water surface are called submerged or underwater plants. Example, tape grass and pondweed. Sixth one, what are insectivorous plants? Sixth one, answer, carnivorous plants that trap insects are called insectivorous plants. Example, Venus flytrap, pitcher plant and sundew plants. Here, Simon, give two examples of each of the following. Floating plants, okay? Floating plants example it will come duckweed and water hen. Now, fixed plant example water lily and lotus. Water lily and lotus. Submerged plants. Their example is a tape grass and pondweed. Okay, now we'll move for the match the following. Plants in hills. Now here answer is a D1, cedar and pine. Plants in a plains, mango and gulmohar. Third one, plants in a deserts, cactus and date palm. Fourth one, plants in a coastal areas, B1, coconut and teak. Plants in swampy areas, mangroves. Insectivorous plants, Venus flytrap and sundew. Now we'll move for the fill in the blanks. Dash plants grows almost everywhere. Plants here. Plants. Plants which need very less dash can survive in a desert. Water. Mangroves have breathing root. The roots of the plants of the grass family help to conserve the soil. Dash smell like rotten fish. Some plants. Give one word of the following. A plant strangler on another tree. It is known as a strangler fig. Strangles fig. Fig. A grass used to make paper. Papyrus. A plant having leaves with waxy coating on the surface. It is known as a fixed plant. Roots that grow out of the soil and water to breathe. It is known as a breathing root. The adjustment made by the plants in a particular surrounding. It is known as an adaptation. Here we We learned the question answers of lesson number 7.